Welcome to this overview of construction cost estimating. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps, resources, and processes required to produce reliable cost estimates for construction projects. The first step in any estimation process is assembling the right team. Estimators specialize in various disciplines like structural, mechanical, or electrical. A skilled team ensures that every aspect of the project is covered. The estimating process starts with a quantity takeoff. This involves measuring all materials required for the project. Site visits and plan reviews are key to identifying any discrepancies that aren't visible in the drawings. The takeoff information is then entered into specialized software for accuracy, and estimators determine the unit costs for materials like concrete, steel, and more. Using standardized forms and spreadsheets can significantly improve the accuracy of an estimate. Common errors, such as miscalculating material waste or using outdated cost data, can lead to costly mistakes. Section 5. Data resources. Reliable data sources are essential. Publications like R.S. Means and Walker's Building Estimators Reference Book provide up-to-date cost data. Estimators must also verify this information with local suppliers to ensure accuracy. Section 6. Work Breakdown Structures, or WBS. Work breakdown structures, or WBS, help organize the estimate by breaking down the project into manageable sections. The Construction Specifications Institute's MasterFormat is a common WBS used in the industry. Section 7. Estimating costs for labor, equipment, and overhead. Labor costs, equipment expenses, and overhead are significant components of an estimate. For example, labor costs can vary based on region and the skill level of the workers. Indirect costs, like home office and job office overhead, must be carefully itemized. Section 8. Profit and value engineering. Contractors include profit margins in their estimates, which vary based on project size, competition, and risk. Additionally, value engineering is a process aimed at improving the project's value by optimizing cost without sacrificing quality. Conclusion. The art of estimating. In summary, construction cost estimating is both a science and an art. It requires a deep understanding of the project, careful planning, and the ability to anticipate potential challenges. Mastering these processes ensures that you deliver accurate and reliable estimates, saving time, money, and resources for every project. Thank you for watching. Remember, accurate estimating is the foundation of successful construction. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content.